The other big thing is collaborations with people. So I had a bunch of affiliates, not a bunch. I have like actually it's like more like quality over quantity. I have affiliates where maybe they have a course or a podcast. Mostly it's like people who have other educational courses, and they will bring me in for a signature legal workshop, and then I'll give them a discount code to their audience, and then they'll earn an affiliate kickback. And I have some affiliates who have like earned, way over $10,000 just in, passive affiliate
They've
income,
made
like the
ten
last
thousand
few
dollars.
years. Yeah, like over the course of like the last few years. Yeah.
Well,
Because they will have a course that is either evergreen or will launch however many times, and maybe they'll bring me back in, or they'll just like highlight that my workshop's included as part of their sales page. So I get a lot of sales through referrals as well. And I've built, again, my Instagram through that way, and then my email list through that way. So it's mostly just come
got
from word of
it.
mouth.
So
Yeah.
relationships, and then hey, but it's actually a good timing to say that I'm a new affiliate partner.
Yes. I'm super
And
excited about that.
yeah, you can use my code if you want to go check out any of the contracts,
And the
the
DM scripts
customizable,
too.
the
Yeah.
DM scripts that I'm all about. There's a bunch of stuff here. Go check it out. And use my code bonus footage at the checkout is where they should use it.
Yep. That's it. They just go to the
Okay, cool.
regular links. There's no special links or anything. But
Yeah, go ham. That'll support the show, and you'll get a tremendous value from it. And then, yeah. So while we're on that subject of the affiliate, do you use a specific platform to track? Like, what are you selling? Can you talk about like the tech on
yeah.
the back end of how you sell the digital products?
Yeah. So one of my first affiliates had recommended to me that I use Thrivecart, because Thrivecart is not only a payment gateway, like that's where all of my sales pages are on. Like that like
Yeah.
janky
Okay.
looking sales page I have is on Thrivecart, and Thrivecart monitors all of my views for the product. So it will tell me like the average amount of money I make a day, the average amount of views, conversion rates. And that's where it started to toll that thousands plus sales is all through Thrivecart transactions.